Do you know the most important tricky code in Python? The tricky code in Python using by AND operator. The syntax of AND operator is like this. Relational expression 1 and relational expression 2. If the relational expression 1 and 2 are true, then AND operator returns true. If any one of the relational expression is false, result of the AND operation becomes false. That is basic syntax. The advanced syntax of AND operator is value 1 and value 2. The AND operator in connecting with values are something like this. If value 1 is true, definitely AND operator will evaluate value 2. If value 2 is true, then the total result is true. If any one of the value is non-zero, it is taken as a true. If any one of the value 1 and value 2 is false, then the result becomes false. Let us consider the following code. RS is equal to 100 and 200. The result is printed here as something like this. AND is a true, definitely AND operator will go to the second one. So second result will influence the total result. So RS is going to be 200. So the result is going to be 200. If the result of this is called what? 0. The result is going to be 0 only, because 0 is called what? False. The total result is going to be called false. Yes. If the value of both of them are 0, the total result is going to be 0 only, and first 0 it will influence the total entire things. This is about the tricky part of the AND operator. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel. Thank you.